Well, boys, you know, as me, I'm not content until I get something working. And right now, I've got the front board removed from the main board, and trying to figure out what's going on with this. And the more I'm thinking about it, it's kind of making me think that I got a broken trace here somewhere in this mic jack. And so what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to do some continuity tests on these solder joints, from the solder joints to these here where they're supposed to make connection, and see if there's actually any continuity going on here. Remove the mic plug from the radio, or from the board. I soldered every one of these connections. That was fun, let me tell you. This thing's going to be more fun now to reconnect them, but anyways, you gotta do what you gotta do. So anyways, just giving you an update. So I'm going to do a few little continuity tests here and see if there's a broken trace between these joints, between here and where they comes down and connects here. Let's see if we've got a break here. I'm thinking we got a bad trace here somewhere connecting down to here. Anyway, let's get the meter out and have a look. Resoldered the mic connector. I opened up the holes a bit bigger. So now the connector sits flush with the circuit board. So now it's literally can't move, not even if it wanted to. Well, the ring is a bit, but the pins are not moving at all. Pins are now completely and utterly locked in place. I've scratched away some of the enamel from the board and increased the solder surface area on each trace. So now we're going to reinstall this back into the radio again and See if we can't get this puppy to work. Right, so I resoldered a mic jack directly to the board as close as possible. I also redone the solder joints on the redone the wire connections. Don't LEDs look cool when they flicker in videos? See it flicker? Cool. And as you can see, all the joints back there all resoldered. Now it's going. So anyways, let's get her back together here properly and give her a test. Alright, we'll do a little test now with the COBRA 19 Ultra. I also got my buddy Bill there to record a see what she sounds like on here in town on his radio. So let's do a test here now. Test 1 2 3 4 5 audio. Test 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. Test 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. Audio 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 3 2 1. So there we have it. COBRA 19 Ultra repaired. Yep. 1 2 3